Hi! In this video we will see that how we can fix this error whenever we're trying to upgrade our license. This error also comes when we try to enable our license. So in order to fix this, you need to log into your server's provider panel. Mine is Contabo for this video, and just need to restart your server. This will take few minutes for restarting the server, till then we have to wait. Now if we again try to run those commands, you can see the error has been fixed and it's executing the command provided by us. Thank you for your time.